Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how you can add tabs on Smartsheet. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to apps.smartsheet.com and log in to your Smartsheet account. Now, to add tabs in Smartsheet, we must first know that Smartsheet doesn't offer a built-in tab function. However, there are numerous ways that we can do the similar effect. So, what we're going to do is to start a new project first. So click here. After that, we're going to start from scratch by clicking here on this workspace. Now, as you can see, we are currently on this untitled sheet. So how can we add a new one? Simply click here on Add to Workspace and you would see there are numerous options where we can choose from. But we will focus on making a new sheet. And then, let's say, I'm gonna make a new grid because this is what tabs look like in Excel. So click on Grid again. Wait for a few seconds. And now, as you can see, we now have two sheets which can act like two tabs. So let's try renaming it. Let's make this our data. And this would be our results. Now, let's add another one. Again, sheets, then grid. This would be our population. And by simply clicking on these three data sheets, we can switch to all these sheets as if we're switching on three different tabs. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!